number 2 in our series of videos on the freehand section of Counter-Sketch 4. This time I'm going to go down to shanks, and there's a whole series of shanks, and let's just click a few of these and just show you what they look like. Let's just move this up to the top. It's a kind of classic cathedral style. So then I can create my own ring from this. It's just computer's getting a bit tired. Let's move these over. Can I change the bridge? Yep. So there's lots and lots of shanks. Some you can do more with than others. There's the majority of what you would want in here, but if you use your imagination and think outside the box, anything's really makeable. Bold statement, but it's true. You know, I've been fooling around. Well, I shouldn't say fooling around. I've been using Matrix for nearly 8 years now, and I think I've kind of there. Not saying I've mastered it. I know my way around, but to achieve some of the things that I've achieved in Counter-Sketch over these last couple of months, there's no way I would have been able to produce some of the things that I've produced in this. I can't quantify how powerful this part of the software is and how this works. So let's go back to shanks. I'm going to click this very first one in the list, matching band. Now when I open this, you first look at it and go, well, don't look that special. What are you going to do with that? Well, in the design stack, let's just move up the top here, you've got bow amount. So if I change the bow amount to, let's say, minus, let's say 2.5, so what that does is it bends the shank like a fitted wed. The position along the rail, or the corner profile position along rail, I'm going to take that down to, let's say, minus 16. See what that looks like. And all that's done is it's taken that profile further around there, so the flow of that is less acute and more pleasing. So let's see what happens if I do this. Top. So what that's done is it's just flipped that to the opposite side. I can then move that closer to the point where they crash into each other. Now, the look of a split of two things stuck together, you know, may be appealing. You know, I've seen designs like that. If you click this profile though, the two metals disappear into each other. Just be conscious of this, that in the finished piece you're not going to be able to see this. There'll be a nice point there. As I keep saying in the videos, Stuller have got your back. The inside of the shank also won't have that line. This will be a one-piece casting. So bear with me. So now what we're going to do is put a stone in the centre of there. Just go to 3/4 view, just reset that. Let's have a look at what other options we've got on here. Matching band gems. Matching band gems on or off, matching band gem prongs on or off. You can also change it to princess cut if you wanted to. I want to stick with my brills. Gem size, you can increase that. Spacing, gem row start end, so you can decrease the amount of stones that are down here, the width and so on, moving down, prong nudge so they hit the stones more. Matching band mill grain on or off. So if I turn that on, I'm going to leave that on. Let's go jazzy. So let's get some mill grain going on this piece. So now what I want to do is, what I'm going to do is put some stones in the center. So gem setting, and for speed, just to show you how quickly you can make things, I'm going to click this 3 stone setting button here. Now if you go to the through finger viewport, this makes life a little bit easier for positioning. Take that to about there. Let's go to 3/4 view and just have a look at what that looks like from the top. Very nice. 3/4 view, as nice as well. Let's just turn that off so we can have a look. Now there is a few mistakes. This is kind of ingressing too far into here, but that's pretty simple to fix. I just go back to my matching bands, and just increase that bend. Let's take it to 3, and that works for me. Is it still touching? Yes. Obviously there is some fine tuning to be done. Oh, that also hides that abnormality there, which is nice. I didn't see that previously. So that's a very quick thing there. Nice 3 stone pretty ring for you to achieve. There's all sorts you can do with this. You just really need to try it. You really do. I've had so much fun with this. Anyway, let's get on to our next video. Thanks.